Hey guys, and welcome to Roblox. I'm trying to get this. So, today I'm gonna be playing Roblox, yeah, on eviction notice. I don't know where my friend went. Where did my friend go? Friend. I don't know where my friend went. Oh, there she is. She's in here. But where is she? So the game will start shortly. I don't know which one is it. Who are you? Okay. I'm really excited to play this. I'm super excited, so I'm just gonna wait until you get in the game. Wait, we're here. I'm gonna do classic game mode. I don't know where my friend went. Let me check Discord. Right, that was nothing then. Okay, classic game mode was selected. Good. I don't know where my friend went. Where did she go? Which one is she? Well, obviously we're all players. Okay, she's right there. She's on here. Also, you might know her as Lonely AJ or something. I have to check it out. Yeah, see, she got Lee. I don't know why I chose Mason. Hi. I'll shout her out at the end of the video. So eviction notice is you're in a place and you have all your friends and just try not to get evicted. Simple, doing challenges. When the clouds disappear, it becomes hazardous. If you fall off, your health you'll be out. Okay. So basically, it's a mystery. It's strange how it showed just both of us, me and my friend. Okay. Wait, so there's clouds underneath us, they're disappearing. I'm scared. Okay, oh gosh. I'm camping. Oh, okay. Get a camp. Ow, I got hurt. How did I get hurt? Oh, thunderclouds. Oh, okay. Okay, come on, we can do this. We can do this. Okay, we're good. Oh gosh. Watch out. No. We can survive this. I'm scared. Hey, this is up to us. Oh gosh. We're on one platform. It's strange how we landed together. We're gonna have to jump if this changes. I can't move. I can barely move. No! Failed. I came so close. No. I wonder how she's doing up there. I need to get up here. I need to jump on somebody's head. I can't get up there. Okay. I can't see her up there. And then you'll have to watch her video to figure out how she's doing. There she is. I can't see her. You have to watch her video to figure out. I'll shout her at the end of the video. Oh no, you died. We were so close. Too. You made it just in time. Well, I just hope we don't get voted to be evicted. Well, who knows? I spelled scared wrong. I'm scarred. Wait. Come on, Lee. Let's hope we don't get evicted. I'm kinda scared. Okay. As house leader, 2 nominees. I don't want to be evicted. Please do not put me as a nominee. I do not want to be evicted. First nominee. Okay. At least they nominating me. Oh, it didn't nominate either of us. XD. Okay. I'm glad. Oh, Tarzan. Tyrian. Oh, it wasn't us. We did it. Me and Lee, we did it. Leonardo. Wait, next challenge. Oh, am I standing out of this one? Why am I standing out? Wait, where's Lee? Oh, is Lee standing out too? Where is Lee, actually? Where did Lee go? You're probably like all shouting in the comments. She's right over there! Right over there! And like, that's actually her. Oh. Okay. Well, I'll see how she does, maybe. Come on, come on. Put out all the fires. She's doing pretty good. She's doing pretty good. Oh, okay. She's doing really good. She's putting out all those fires. That's pretty good. That is good. Give me my legs back. Come on, Lee. You can do this. Oh, that person in this person's house fell, collapsed. She won it. You did it. I'm shocked. Yeah, I am too. Okay. So let's see who gets voted off. Now we're gonna see who gets voted off. The winner of safety competition. You have the power to save a nominee. I have decided to not use my ability. Oh, you're supposed to save somebody. That includes my safety is somebody. So we have to vote, right? Decision. Guy in last or Tristan. I don't know how to pronounce this. Who do we vote? I don't know who to vote. You're both saying please. Give us mercy. They both want mercy. I don't know. Most people will be evicted. Guy in last. He wants to be last. But then, his name is Guy in last. Everybody's gonna vote him, so I'm not gonna vote him. Okay. Oh, I was the last one to vote. Respect to Chris. 7 to 3. I bet it's 7 to him, 3 to him. Guy in last. The guy in last. What? You have been evicted! I knew it! Bing! I'm just gonna take bye. Oh, he just disappeared. I think he left the game. Cause he's supposed to do an animation of him walking out the door, but he just straight up left. Wow. Wow. What the heck? Well, until the next one. Wow, just wow. Okay. Gotta avoid the tornado. And this is gonna be in 2 parts. So, I'm kinda scared, but last one standing wins. Don't wanna get voted out. Okay. Oh, 30 people dying. They already lost. Okay, come on, Lee. We can do this. We can do this. No, stay back. Yeah, look at me moonwalking. Oh yeah, moonwalking. Yeah, I'm moving away in style. Oh yeah. Oh no, please no. That's weird. Oh no. Hey, oh. No, Lay! No, she died! No, jump, get out. Ah, snicker snap. We both die. I wonder who this Yuzi person is. So, now we completed that. Now I just gotta wait. Whoa, some people left and died already. So our house leader who gets to vote the nominees. I hope me or Lee is not a nominee. And if you're wondering, my real name isn't Mason. I don't know why I put that. I didn't know why I didn't put my real name. Mr. Shish. Mr. Shish. I'm gonna play checkers. To play my board. Okay. I don't know how to spell board. Play my board game. Oh. It's called Pick Me. I'm gonna say it after he chooses. It's called Don't Pick Me. Okay, good. She chose her as a nominee. Please not me, please not me, please not me, please not me. That's probably because I said, oh, let's go. We're doing pretty good at this. Okay, platforms. Oh, this should be easy. Should be too easy. Already failed. Wow. I literally failed the second I tried. I don't know why I accidentally didn't click record. And I jumped. The first jump I made, I died. I'm a horrible person. I should never live on this earth. But, I'm not a nominee, and, I think we're gonna do the voting next. Oh, how is there a chair here? Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Okay, I'm gonna be over here for now. Oh, and here goes the voting. I'm scared. Okay, I don't know who to vote. So, the lady used her safety on Apple and Mothers. That means Yuzi is our new person. She obviously seems pretty friendly. See? Don't go. So, we're gonna try and save Yuzi. Yuzi's been a friend. Rosie down. Rosie will lose. Rosie, you're done. That hurt. Come on, Rosie. Take down Rosie. Take down Rosie. All the votes have been casted. Come on, Rosie. 5, 3. Come on, 3 Yuzi. 3 Yuzi. 3 Yuzi. Rosie. Please say she's evicted. Please say she's evicted. Please say she's evicted. No! I'm spamming my keyboard. No! No! No, 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 no. Oh, see, I told you there's an animation that guy left. Aww, she cries. Events will go faster for the next person to get voted out. But it'll all happen next time on eviction notice. But first I need to show off Lee's channel, Lonelysong AJ. Please subscribe to her right now, and I'll give you free V-Bucks if you do that, and free Robux, free V-Bucks, any kind of money you want if you subscribe. And thank you for being in this video, and